In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize invoice templates in Xero to match your brand's unique identity. Let's dive right in to make your invoicing process not only efficient, but also visually consistent with your organizational style. First up, you're going to navigate to your organization's settings. Simply start by clicking on your organization's name located on the dashboard. From the drop-down menu, look for Invoice Settings and select it. This is where you can manage all of your invoicing options. Next, we're going to create a new branding theme. On the Invoice Settings page, select the option to create a new branding theme. This is your gateway to customized invoices that speak your brand's language. Once you're in, you'll be prompted to enter a name for your new theme. Think of something that represents the essence of the look you are going for. After that, you can adjust several options. This includes adding your organization's logo, customizing the headings to make them stand out, and setting your tax display preferences to ensure everything aligns with your accounting requirements. Once you have finished customizing all these elements to your satisfaction, don't forget to hit Save. It's an essential step to lock in all your hard work. Now, if you want this new theme to become your default, simply drag it to the top of the theme list. This will ensure your clients receive invoices in your newly styled format automatically. Moving forward, let's talk about customizing the template itself. Back over in the Invoice Settings, search for the standard template you want to customize. Once you find it, click on Download. This action will download a zip file containing a docx template. Open this zip file using a program like Microsoft Word or any document editor you're comfortable with. Now, let your creativity flow. Edit the docx template to reflect exactly what you envision. Make the necessary adjustments to the layout, text, and merge fields as needed. When your custom changes are complete, save the file to your computer. Head back into Xero. By the template name, you'll see an Upload option. Click on it and select the customized docx file you just saved. Hit Upload once again to confirm your selection. And just like that, your customized invoice template should be ready to impress. Repeat this very same process for anything else you need, such as quotes, purchase orders, and receipts. This helps streamline all your communications, ensuring a consistent brand experience across the board. With these steps, you should now have a beautifully customized set of invoicing documents that reflect your professional image. These tools will not only keep your accounting well organized, but also deliver a polished, consistent impression to your clients. Happy customizing!